In the given system of equations, a is a positive constant. The system has exactly one distinct real solution. What is the value of a? First, I'm going to highlight the question. What is the value of a, which is our constant right here? Then going back to the question, it says in the systems of equations, the system has exactly one distinct real solution. One distinct real solution. So notice here we have a straight line, and then we have a quadratic. So the system of equations is going to look something like this. We have our quadratic right here, and then we have our straight line, and this is our distinct solution right here. So at this point right here, these two equations are equal to each other. So I'm going to set these equal to each other and solve for a. Now, I think I'm going to do this on decimals because it'll be easier. So I'm going to plot y equals -1.5, and then I'm going to plot x squared, y equals x squared plus 8x plus a. Actually, hold on. So right now we're at -16. So we need to bring our graph up to this point where the line is. So -1.5 to -16, that's going to be a plus 15. So let me add 15 plus 15. Well, actually, -14.5 plus 14.5. And that will take us there. Yep. So the a would be -14.5.